Imagine a merger between passenger mobility and cargo freight. A layer zero. Inspired by the metro subsystem and its ability to create rapid movement of passengers within large municipality borders, the safe green logistics rapid concept can deliver just that on a domestic and intercontinental level. A concept adapted and created to link modal shift and unutilized rail infrastructure capacity to the benefit of the environment, movement of people, and cargo flows. That means more reliable distribution flows, lower freight costs, and upwards of 69% reduction in CO2 emissions. With the invention of the Container Transfer System, or CTS, the infrastructural road limitations can be accommodated and mitigated. By introducing the rapid concept, both passengers and cargo are loaded on the train at the departure base. Once the load is fulfilled, the journey can begin. By using CTS and the rapid concept, a combined multimodal distribution flow, passengers and cargo are prioritized equally and the rail capacity is utilized to its utmost. A trip from, for example, Aalborg to Copenhagen is doable in nearly 3 hours with merely one stop at the hub terminal. At the hub terminal, all the metro lines accumulate. Here the passengers, if needed, can switch trains to continue the journey to the final destination base. This concept combines mobility and cargo freight, including a hub terminal for the sorting and rearrangement of goods. The hub terminal connects the metro line system to certain selected train stations, which we call bases. Trains arriving at the hub terminal for processing are comprised of 26 containers and 4 passenger cars. The trains arrive within a 6-minute interval. The unsorted goods will be unloaded from the train wagons via CTS terminal units. The unloading time is swift and lean. The sorted cargo awaits to be switched with the incoming unstructured cargo next to the railway tracks. Together with the passengers switching trains if needed at the hub terminal, the loaded trains can now depart. The newly arrived unsorted goods are then transported to the emptying station via a container conveyor system to the hub terminal area. Some containers are cleared for departure immediately, while others are emptied, redirected, and sorted to be readied for the final destination. Once all containers are cleared for departure, they are discharged to the railway transit lanes, ready to be switched with the incoming unsorted goods. Yet again, sorted goods leave the terminal on time. Because the cargoes move simultaneously and at an equal pace as the passengers, it contributes to equal competitive opportunity, balance, and advantage against conventional single-carrier freight. The passenger and cargo has now arrived at their respective destination bases. The passenger can now walk or change to a bus connection for his final destination. The cargo is handled at the arrival base, where the transfer process is initiated by the truck driver. This process is performed autonomously from the cabin of the truck. CTS encompasses an entire distribution concept enabled by a rapid flow of goods. CTS will seamlessly connect the rail and road transportation modes together, thus gaining the competitive and sustainable advantage. The passengers still arrive on time and the recipients secure the cargo, now in a more sustainable and prosperous way.